Introducing the epitome of modern kitchen convenience, the Supreme Instant Pot. More than just a mere kitchen appliance, this technological marvel has redefined the way we cook, revolutionizing meal preparation with its unmatched versatility and unrivaled performance. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Instant Pots you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, your ultimate kitchen companion. At number 5 on our list, this remarkable appliance offers a whopping 9-in-1 functionality. From pressure cooking to slow cooking, rice cooking to yogurt making, and even steaming, sauteing, sterilizing, and food warming, it does it all. Experience improved stress-free venting with our intuitive easy-release steam switch. Releasing steam has never been easier, and the switch automatically resets when you close the lid. Stay in the know with the easy-to-read display, featuring a full cooking progress bar to track your culinary journey. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can achieve quick one-touch cooking for a wide range of dishes. From succulent ribs to flavorful soups, hearty beans to fluffy rice, delectable poultry to creamy yogurt, and mouth-watering desserts, too much more. The possibilities are endless. The price is $129. Meet the remarkable Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, ranking at an impressive number 4. This kitchen wonder offers a staggering 7-in-1 functionality, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, make rice, create yogurt, steam, saute, and even warm your food. With 13 customizable smart programs, cooking becomes a breeze with just a touch, whether you're preparing succulent ribs, hearty soups, fluffy rice, or indulgent desserts. It gets better. This marvel cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods or lets you savor the slow-cooked flavors of grandma's recipes. Cleanup is quick and easy, thanks to its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety is paramount, with over 10 safety features, overheat protection, and a secure locking lid. Catering to growing families, it can feed up to 6 people, making it perfect for meal prepping or batch cooking for singles. The inner cooking pot is crafted from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring even cooking and allowing you to saute your culinary masterpieces to perfection. And the best part? All these incredible features can be yours for just $84. Discover the remarkable Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1, the ultimate kitchen powerhouse. Take your culinary adventures to new heights with its impressive array of 11 functions. With this incredible appliance, you can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, make rice and yogurt, steam, saute, sterilize, and even keep your food warm. This versatile wonder comes with 2 removable lids, including an air fryer lid with Evan Crisp technology, ensuring irresistibly crispy results with a fraction of the oil. Enjoy the convenience of 11 customizable smart programs for quick, one-touch cooking. Plus, it includes a free app with over 1,900 recipes to inspire your creativity. The food-grade stainless steel cooking pot guarantees even cooking and secure sauteing. Prepare mouth-watering meals up to 70% faster or savor the nostalgia of slow-cooked classics, just like your grandma used to make. Get your hands on this kitchen essential for only $187. Introducing the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, the ultimate kitchen companion. Let me tell you why it's a game changer. This gem offers a whopping 10 functions, making it a true multitasking marvel. Prepare to pressure cook, slow cook, sauce vide, saute, make rice, sterilize, whip up yogurt, keep your food warm, bake cakes, and steam with ease. It's like having a culinary wizard at your fingertips. What sets this beauty apart is its premium cookware-grade inner pot, complete with stay-cool silicone handles. You can seamlessly transition from your Instapot to the stovetop without missing a beat. Convenience is key, my friend. With 5 programmable settings for your own signature dishes and 28 press-it options for essential meals, this appliance is a recipe for success. Whether you're in a hurry or prefer slow-cooked goodness, the Instant Pot Pro has got you covered. This culinary genius can be yours for just $129. Say hello to the Instant Pot Nova 6 pressure cooker, the ultimate kitchen companion. Ranked as the #1 choice, this multi-purpose appliance is perfect for beginners. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops because the Nova combines 7 appliances into one sleek design. With its 6-skit capacity, you can effortlessly cook for up to 6 people. Healthy and consistently delicious meals are just a button away, thanks to the microprocessor that adjusts pressure, temperature, and time. Keep your food warm for up to 10 hours with the automatic Keep Warm feature. Worried about safety? Don't be. The Nova comes with 10+ safety features and is UL certified. The smart lid automatically seals, and the quick release button makes steam release a breeze. Plus, you'll receive a bonus sealing ring. Cleaning up is a breeze too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe stainless steel cooking pot. With clear, simple controls and 13 customizable programs, cooking has never been easier. Experience culinary bliss for only $229. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.